This is a Nordman Christmas tree, in case anyone was interested. These like round bits, just push them in one direction and then push them back on themselves and just basically a firm tug. So I'm going to show you how to make smaller style pencils. So cut this up into maybe 10 centimetre lengths. Let's have a look with a ruler. I'm going to go with, 10 centimetres, a nice length. Here we have our two pencil bits. Now we need to put the lead in. Okay, so that's going to drill very easily. I'm going to wear goggles because I don't know if this is going to shatter or not. Okay. Okay, so I didn't actually have to really, I probably could have just used the lead to push it down. You could turn it upside down on something like that. I don't know if you can see the tip just protrudes there. So now for sharpening, many ways to do this. Pencil sharpener, if you really want. I'm going to grab a Stanley knife and just work my way around it, giving it a more aesthetic appeal, and it looks more natural. Once I get towards the end, I will probably put it in the pencil sharpener. Okay, so that's the top of it sharpened off a bit. So I'm going to do the same on the other one. And push the lead in a bit as well. But for example, there's a really nice pencil there. Remember to also just give the sharpener a bang out. And you can neaten up the edges of your pencil, should you wish. That's what I'm just doing in the background here. Okay, so there is two simple pencils, all complete.